Exceptional abilities, 5 most intelligent birds in the world. Welcome to the exploration of natural intelligence, the 5 most intelligent birds in the world. Let's admire the intelligence and exceptional abilities possessed by these intelligent birds. One, Parrot. Parrots are known for their ability to mimic human voices and the sounds of their surroundings. They can learn to interact with humans, respond to commands, and even express emotions through sounds and body movements. They can also create their own games and demonstrate intelligence in solving simple puzzles or problems, showing a high level of intelligence in adaptation and innovation. Two, Crow. Crows have the ability to use tools to obtain food. In flight, crows display grace and amazing skills. Known for their intelligence and skill in hunting, crows use careful strategies and clever tactics in finding food. Their problem-solving skills and tool usage make crows one of the most intelligent birds in the world. Three, Eagle. Eagles are known for their clever hunting abilities. They use precise tactics and careful strategies in capturing prey. Eagles are renowned for their exceptional hunting skills. They utilize sharp vision and flight speed to capture prey with precision. In flight, eagles demonstrate extraordinary strength and endurance. They can fly agilely, expressing grace and power in every movement. Four, Cockatoo. Cockatoos are also known for their ability to mimic human voices and the sounds of their surroundings perfectly. They can learn and reproduce various sounds with remarkable detail. In addition to mimicking sounds, cockatoos have the ability to solve puzzles and brain games. They also show intelligence in playing, creating their own games, and solving problems with high cognitive abilities. Five, Pelican. Pelicans are known for their cooperative food hunting abilities. They use collaborative strategies to catch fish, demonstrating exceptional social intelligence. In their daily lives, pelicans form solid groups and support each other while searching for food in the waters. They work together, forming formations to chase fish, and coordinate with each other to achieve common goals. The social intelligence of pelicans is reflected in their ability to communicate and collaborate with group members. Thank you for exploring the natural intelligence through the 5 most intelligent birds in the world. Let's continue to admire the wonders of intelligence and exceptional abilities possessed by these intelligent birds. Share this video to inspire others to appreciate the natural intelligence and uniqueness of the most intelligent birds. Let's together preserve the diversity and intelligence of the universe.